How to change iPhone name for Airdrop. So go ahead and open your settings application in your iPhone device. Scroll down in here and tap on General. Now, since the iPhone name that will show on Airdrop is your device's name, in here tap on About. It's on the top part of the page and this is where you can change the name of your device. Now, tap on your name. In here, click on the X icon to remove the name of your iPhone, the current one, and just type in the name that you want your iPhone to display for AirDrop. If you want to add special characters like this one, it can also be done. And if you want to add emojis, just add that as well and it will be saved. After that, just click on done and as you can see, the name with the special characters and emojis will be saved and changed immediately. So that is how to change iPhone name for AirDrop. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.